Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini tool for analyzing your document. So first of all, let's go to the Google Gemini tool, Google Gemini AI. Okay, so I'll click on this. In order to use this website, you must need to create an account. You're already logged into this account. You can see here in the right corner as well. So here I will upload my document and give it a prompt. Let's see. So here you can see that I'm going to upload this article or the PowerPoint slides related to glucocorticoids is an topic. Okay, so I'm going to give it a command like analyze this document and give me important points. Okay, points in terms of MCQs for the paper. Okay, so I've given it that command. Now let's see how it works. Let's see if it able to gather some important points for in terms of exams. Let's see. So yes, this analysis highlights important points about glucocorticoids formatted as potential multiple choice question for exam. So yes, it has created multiple like questions. You can see that it has created question and also wrote its answer as well. So that's how you can use your document, upload them here, and then you can analyze them. You can also summarize them. You can get important points as well. So that's all about this Gemini, like how you can use for uploading your document and analyzing that. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.